Hey, welcome back once again. And here in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create a program in which we are going to do some input as well as the output instruction along with the variable declaration. So for that, I have to simply go to the file. From there, I have to go to the source file, and here we have the source file. So we have to start writing the program. Then first line we have to is hash include. Then we have to include the header file as stdio.h. This header file has to be included. Then we have to create the main function, so we have to write main here. After that we have to put the parenthesis, and here we go with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to declaring the two variable, that is int variable a, that is declared like this way, and I'm going to declare another variable, say float, and that the variable name is say b. Now what I'm going to do, I just wanted to display a message to the user to enter a integer value and then to enter a float value, and that has to be taken as input from the keyboard. So for that I'm using printf function here, and here I'm writing message enter any integer value, and here I'm just putting it as \t. I just want the back tab space here, so and then put the semicolon at the end. Now I have to read the input to the variable. So what I'm doing here, I have to write the input instruction over here. Printf is the output instruction that will display a message on the screen. So here I have to go with the input instruction. So for input in C, we have to use scanf function. Okay, here we have to use the scanf function. In the scanf function, first of all we have to give the format. So %d, I have already told you the %d is the format for the integer, and here we have to put the comma, and here we have to use the %a, then put the semicolon. Now %d here mean to say that we have to read the value in the integer format. %d is for that. Then we have used a percent. Here a percent is called as the address operator. Okay, and we just have to give the address of the variable a where we wanted to store the value that the user enter from the keyword. Okay, so this is the input of instruction that we have to write in the C. Same way I'm writing another line here, printf enter any decimal or fractional value. Again I'm using \t escape sequence and put the semicolon to terminate the line. Same way have to use the scanf, and this time using %f. %f is the format for float, and here we have to put the comma, and then we have to use the % as the address operator. Then we have to give the name of the variable where we wanted to store the value. That is done. Now I just wanted to display the value of variable a and variable b, whatever the value will be entered by the user. So for that I'm writing instruction output as printf you have entered int value say equal to, and here we have to use the %d as the format for displaying the integer value. Then here we have to give the name of the variable whose value we wanted to display, that is this, and I'm just going to copy this from here to here to save my time, and here we go, paste it, and you have entered the float value. Here I'm writing float value, and here I just want to, so for that I have to use the percentage f format, and value is stored in the variable b, so we have to give the reference of the variable b here. And this result I just wanted to be in new line, so here I'm using \n. So save your changes here using Ctrl+S and move to your desktop. On the desktop you will find a folder with the name of C, and here you go with, say, input output.c as the name of the file. So I have given the name to the file as input output.c. Now save the file. After saving the file, go to execute. Here you have to go with the compile and run. So our program is showing zero error, zero warning. So it's displaying me a message, enter any integer value. So I have here I have to enter the value from my keyboard. So say I have entered 67, then press the enter key, and then you will get the message, enter any decimal or fractional value. So this time I have to enter the a fractional value, say 88.99. Now here we got the result. You have entered integer value equal to 67. You have entered the float value equal to 88.99. So here you will got. So this way we can make the output and input operation instructions in the C language or C program. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video.